Hi everybody, I hope you're all safe and well. This is about the 10th take on this video. I just wanted to wish you all a happy Christmas or happy holidays or however you celebrate this time of year. I hope you have a happy time, a peaceful time. I hope you're spending it with people you love. I know there's a lot of people that don't. A lot of people don't enjoy this time of year for one reason or another. So spare a thought for those people as well. You know, if you've got friends or neighbours, or if you've got, you know, someone who's next door that maybe you could do with I don't know, plate up a bit of roast for them, or just go and see if they're all right. Because a lot of people this time of year is not brilliant. But I'm not going to get too morbid. Next year, hopefully, for me personally, things are going to be better. It's been a very difficult period, just like everyone else, especially with, you know, everything that's gone on with the COVID and all that kind of stuff. It's not easy times for everybody, is it? But we've got each other. I'm very grateful to all the friends I've met and made through doing these videos and this, you know, this YouTube channel. So I am extremely grateful to all of you for your support, for your comments, for your jokes, everything. I honestly, genuinely mean that. So, again, have a lovely Christmas. Have as good a new year as you can, considering what's going on in the world. And stay tuned, because next year is going to be a better one for all of us. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye.